In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload your resume to Indeed, a crucial step for enhancing your job search and creating more opportunities. Let's get started with the process, which is simple, straightforward, and can significantly increase your visibility to potential employers. Firstly, we'll begin by visiting Indeed's website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in Indeed.com. Once the homepage has loaded, you will likely notice a straightforward layout that Indeed is known for. It's user-friendly, with clear sections guiding you through their services, from job searches to salary comparisons. Make sure you're logged into your account to access your profile seamlessly. Once you're on the Indeed homepage, the next step is to navigate to your profile. You can do this by clicking on the Sign In button if you aren't already logged in. Then, locate your profile icon, usually found in the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on it will display a drop-down menu, giving you options related to your profile, job searches, and settings. From these options, you'll want to select the profile link. Now let's focus on uploading your resume. On your profile page, you should see a section dedicated to your resume. This section is crucial because it's where potential employers will get the first impression of your professional journey. You'll see a button labeled Upload Resume. Click this button and it will give you the option to select the file from your computer. When choosing which file to upload, it's often best to go with a PDF format. PDFs preserve your resume's layout, ensuring that what you submit is exactly what the employer will see. Make sure your resume is up to date, highlighting the most relevant experiences and skills for the types of positions you're targeting. After you've selected your resume file, the upload process should only take a couple of moments. Once the upload is complete, double-check that everything looks good. You will typically be given a preview of the resume as it will appear to employers. This is a great time to ensure that there are no formatting errors or missing information. A neat and professional layout can make a significant difference in catching the eye of a hiring manager. And there you have it. The task is done. Your resume is now uploaded on Indeed, making you visible to countless employers who use Indeed to find suitable candidates. This step enhances your job search process, turning Indeed into a powerful tool at your disposal. By regularly updating your profile and resume, you keep yourself competitive in today's fast-paced job market. Keep these instructions in mind whenever you need to update your profile or upload new versions of your resume. With these steps, you're well on your way to making the most out of Indeed's offerings. Good luck with your job hunt, and may the opportunities be plenty.